Hola, Kike! Today we are going to make classic American pancakes. I love this recipe because you can modify it depending on what you have at home. We are vegan at my house, so the ingredients I am using are all plant-based, but you can use whatever you prefer. Let's get started. First, you will need a medium-sized mixing bowl. Add 2 bananas. I like to use very ripe ones for sweetness since this recipe doesn't have added sugar. Mash them with a fork until they are as smooth as possible. Then, add 1 egg or 3 tablespoons of vegan egg. I use the Just Egg brand, which can usually be found near the regular eggs at the grocery store. Add 1 cup of milk. I'm using cashew, but any kind will work. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Whisk together your mixture so that everything is combined well. Then set this bowl aside. Now, grab a smaller mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of flour. And if you prefer gluten-free, you can use gluten-free flour here. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk it all together. Then we are going to mix the dry ingredients into the wet. I like to do it in 2 batches. We don't want to overmix the batter, so just whisk it until it is combined. I am adding 1 cup of fresh blueberries, but you can add chocolate chips, nuts, or sprinkles, whatever you like. Fold them in just until combined so it doesn't flatten your batter. Now, let the batter sit for 5 minutes so it can rise. You'll see small bubbles in the batter forming. That is a good sign. Next, turn your heat to medium-high and place a non-stick skillet on the stove. If you do not have one, you can lightly oil a regular pan between batches. Using a 1/4 cup, scoop the batter onto your pan and cook for about 3 minutes on the first side. You will know that they are ready to flip when small bubbles appear around the whole surface. This part can be tricky, but you got it. Carefully flip your pancakes over and cook the other side for about a minute or until they are golden brown and firm to the touch. Repeat these steps until your batter is gone. This recipe makes 12 pancakes when you use a 1/4 cup scoop. I like to keep my finished pancakes in a full pouch as I cook the rest so that they stay warm. Simply fold a piece of foil in half and crimp the sides, leaving an open end so you can slide more pancakes in. For toppings, I keep it simple, so I start with some very thin slices of butter. Vegan, of course. I also love pure Vermont maple syrup, not the kind with all the corn syrup. But if you can't find this, you can try honey, agave, fruit jam, or even peanut butter. Now we are going to pile them sky high, layering pancakes and butter and repeating to our heart's desire. Once you have your stack, drizzle some delicious maple syrup over the top. These are a filling meal, so I suggest eating them on a lazy Sunday or a day when you have time to take a nap after. Thanks for cooking American pancakes with me today, Kike. Ciao!